Hello everyone, my name is Olivia Galang and we will discuss about the Supply Chain Management Strategy, Chapter 6. Supply chain management is about getting the right products to the right place at the right time. It involves making decisions at the different levels, strategic, tactical, and operational. It's important that everyone in the supply chain understands the company's goals and works together to achieve them. And our learning objectives for this chapter, at the end of this chapter, you should be able to appreciate the different strategies used in the supply chain achieving. So first, effective and efficient operational result. Second, identify the development process and strategy supply chain management. And lastly is apply different strategies in supply chain management applicable in the hospitality industry. Supply chain management strategy. In the hospitality industry, supply chain decisions are made at different levels. So first, strategic level, top managers make big picture decisions that affect the whole business. These decisions are about the overall direction of the supply chain. Second is tactical level, managers create plans to achieve the strategic goals. This includes things like managing inventory and transportations. And lastly is operational level. This is where day-to-day tasks happen, like fulfilling orders and handling customer service. So we have 5 supply chain processes that will apply to the whole supply chain. Among these are product development, customers, manufacturing, suppliers, and logistics. So first is product development. When products get old or stop selling, well, companies need to make some choices, like update the product, make a newer, better version to get people interested again, and get rid some products, focus on the best selling items and stop making the ones that are not doing well, and make new kinds of products. Start making different things to attract new customers. Next is manufacturing. In the manufacturing, when companies make big decisions about how to make their products, they think about where to build factories. They decide whether to build new ones, expand existing ones, or have other companies to make their products. And what kind of machine to use. They choose the best and most efficient ways to make their products. These decisions are based on how much they think they sell. They look at how much money they might make in the future. And what's the most important to the company, they decide whether to make things themselves or have other companies to do it. And protecting the environment, they think
Development of supply chain strategy. Number 1. Customers' requirements. A demand-driven and customer-focused supply chain is productive and reliable. This emphasizes the importance of aligning supply chain management with customer needs and market demand. A demand-driven supply chain is one that responds directly to customer demand rather than relying on prediction about what the customers want. A customer-focused supply chain priorities the needs and preferences of customers, like service quality. When a supply chain is tailored to meet customers' expectations, it enhances customer satisfaction, trust, and loyalty. Segmenting customers and creating tailored logistics strategies is essential for companies aiming to enhance customer satisfaction, improve service levels, allocation of sources more effectively, and maintain a competitive edge. Number 2. Internal capabilities. A detailed assessment of an organization's internal supply chain capabilities is crucial for identifying gaps between current performance and the needs of existing and potential customers. By properly addressing common challenges such as commodity complexity, and effective inventory management, and misalignment between demand and delivery, businesses can enhance their operational efficiency and responsiveness to market demand. Organizations can also improve their competitive position, drive sustainable growth, and customer satisfaction. Number 3, supply chain trends. In today's dynamic business environment, organizations must adopt a coordinated supply chain approach to remain competitive and responsive to market demands. This involves identifying key supply chain patterns and understanding how to address the challenges they present. Here are some of the emerging developments an organization has to study into end-to-end collaboration. This collaboration refers to the integration of all stakeholders in the supply chain, from suppliers to customers, by fostering strong communication and cooperation across all levels. Organizations can enhance and improve overall efficiency. Lean Six Sigma is a method which organizations can use this approach to eliminate inefficiencies, enhance product quality, and achieve significant cost saving. Complexity management is where organization needs to analyze their supply chain structures to avoid increase of costs and delays. Optimization of physical network methods that involves analyzing the physical layout of the supply chain, such as warehouses, distribution center, and transportation routes to determine the most efficient ways to move goods from suppliers to customers. Risk management and globalization opportunities. Organizations must develop a risk management strategies, creating contingency plans, and continuously monitoring global trends that could impact their operation. Number 4. Competitive analysis. Accurate data analysis is crucial. However, it is important to recognize that metrics may not always be directly comparable across different organizations. For instance, while inventory turns may be a common metric, its interpretation can vary significantly between companies. Therefore, businesses must employ diverse research methods, such as internet searches, interviews with managers and staff, participation in industry conferences, benchmarking, and collaboration with external consultants to gather ideas on competitors. 5. Supply chain technology. The integration of technology within an enterprise supply chain strategy is crucial for fostering innovation and enhancing operation capacities. By aligning emerging technological capabilities with clearly defined consumer needs, business can create a more responsive and efficient supply chain. However, the success of the integration depends on how successful a corporation is at attracting and retaining people who are willing to appreciate and utilize certain of this innovation to develop the supply chain of a business. Human resources and technological advancement work in tandem to meet customer demands and drive sustainable growth within the supply chain.
Chains refers to the process of identifying, analyzing, and evaluating potential risks that could disrupt the flow of goods, service, or information. These risks can arise from various sources, including supplier issues, natural disasters, market fluctuations, geopolitical events, or transportation failures. The goal is to assess the likelihood and impact of these risks and develop mitigation strategies to minimize disruptions, ensure continuity, and maintain the efficiency and resilience of the supply chain. Having concluded that the selected new supply system capabilities are appropriate from achieving the organization priorities and goals and for executing them under defined resource constraint, the team must create a comprehensive project schedule for the selected new supply chain capabilities. The project strategy, therefore, must define the interrelationship of individual projects. Supply risk, supplier importunism, inbound product quality, transit time variability, risk affecting supplier, operational risk, inventory ownership, asset and tools ownership, product quality and safety, demand risk, demand variability, forecast errors, competitor moves, risk affecting customers. A supply chain organization refers to the structure and roles with a company that manage the flow of goods and services, including procurement, production, warehousing, and distribution. It often involves coordination between different departments like logistics, procurement, and operation. People in the supply chain include everyone involved in managing and executing supply chains activity, from warehouse staff and logistic manager to procurement officers and demand planners. Performance indicator in supply chains are metrics used to measure efficiency, effectiveness, and responsiveness. Common supply chains indicators include order accuracy, lead time, inventory turnovers, supplier performance, cost of goods sold. The project strategy therefore must define the interrelationship of the individual project. Number 1. Review supply chain strategy input. Include customer requirements, internal assessment, competitive analysis, supply chain trends, technology, and risks. Number 2. Document new supply chain capabilities. Number 3. Reduce number of capabilities and initiatives. Include using estimated costs, benefits, and complexity and risks. Number 3. Establish supply chain goals using metrics related to customer service levels, costs, inventory, and working capital. Number 4. Quantify new supply chain capabilities and incentives using impact on service levels, cost, inventory, and working capital, implementation costs, complexity, and risk and ROI. Number 4. Establish supply chain strategy project plan. A business case is a document or presentation that outlines the justification for a proposed project or initiative. It explains the problem or opportunity, evaluate potential solutions, and highlight the benefit, costs, and risks involved. The purpose to convince stakeholders that the project is worth investing in. Buy-in refers to securing support and commitment from stakeholders, especially decision makers, for a project or strategy. It involves gaining their approval and agreement to allocate resources, whether financial, human, or time, to move forward with a proposed plan. Supply chain strategy execution involves turning a company's supply chain strategy into action to meet business goals. It includes aligning operation, processes, and resources across various functions like procurement, manufacturing, and distribution to ensure efficiency, reduce costs, and improve customer satisfaction. Effective execution requires collaboration, technology integration, performance monitoring, and adapting to market changes to ensure the strategy delivers the intended result. Supply chain strategy execution process source. Supply chain strategy execution, business case and organization buy-in, supply chain organization, people and performance indicators, new supply chain capabilities, supply chain strategy. Customer requirements, internal capabilities, competitive analysis, supply chain risk, supply chain trend, supply chain technology.